page, there are so many countable nouns. Chair, people, or glasses, or borders, like that. So these are countable. And for example, car, man. Here. So if we want to talk about singular for one, we have to use a, an, or they before countable noun. For example, a car. A car means only one car. A car, and an apple, like that, an airplane, like that, and the man. We can use a and together with countable noun. And for two or more plural, we use two. You can add the number before the countable noun. For example, here there are 4 cars. 4 is the number here. 2 or there or some many. You can put the number before the countable noun.